Hi friends, this is Dimple Mehra Vishwakarma and my channel Angels Work India, which is there on Instagram. So guys, I happily, proudly present to you Alphabet G's 2021. So all my favorite G's who have been very troubled in 2020, 2019, 18, 17 and so many past years. So this year is a rock on year for you. How? Let me start my yearly prediction for you. But before that, please subscribe to my channel, see all my videos in English and Hindi, because in Hindi language there are few things which I've added, few things have been added additionally in English. English is more precise, more clear and very detailed. So guys, to begin with, on the financial front, this is going to be your year. As I told you, this is going to be your year. You are going to rock on in 2021 with regards to your finances. Everything in your life is going to be improving. This is not the year to sit back and look for opportunities. Just go grab it. Any damn thing that you invest in will have amazing results. You will have the Midas golden touch this year. So please go ahead, take the risk. This is your year, Alphabet G. When it comes to relationship, do not get involved with a younger woman. In case you're a man, in case you're a woman, then also this is an advice for you. Do not get involved with a younger person, especially if this person is either 5 months younger to you, 5 years younger to you. There is some complication which is coming across. The marriage may not last. You will have complications with regards to this relationship. They may ask you to spend a lot of money. They will drain your finances down. A lot of complications are coming up if you get married to a person who is younger than you. In case if that is not the case, so and you are getting involved into an office drama, relationship, extramarital affair, adultery, this year again is a year of blackmailing, emotional dramas, unwanted pregnancy, which will create an entire mess in your married life. So my suggestion to you is, do not get into all of these things, because 2021 brings in a lot of happiness in your married life, a lot of happiness in your finances. So do not waste your money on an outsider. Health wise, if I were to consider health wise, what I'm seeing is that men are likely to spend a lot of money on blood pressure medicines or any medicines which are for their sexual health. They may also be spending on the fitness aspect of it. You may unnecessarily spend on buying sports gears for yourself, a lot of sports cycles which are going to be purchased in 2021. Most of the buyers would be from Alphabet G. A lot of stuff like gymming dresses and shoes and whatever. So a lot of waste of money also, Alphabet G, on your sportswear. With regards to your education or your child's education, please consider looking at many opportunities. Do not be stuck with a particular university or with regards to any kind of an institute. Explore more options. There is a possibility that the other options that you are missing at the moment will be much better for your child's future success. So please do a detailed study before you jump onto any conclusion. So if Harvard or Stanford was good for everyone in the past, this is a time to look at other universities, perhaps USC Berkeley or any other institute, or even a sim in Singapore would give you good results. So reconsider your decisions. This is what my advice would be. For kids, kids will not be able to spend major time with their parents. Parents will have a very busy schedule. They will have a rock on 2021 with regards to finances and business, because of which both parents and children will feel helpless. Parents will especially feel guilty. Children will make them feel guilty, and especially children who are planning to go to foreign country or who will be shifting to hostel, they will definitely make their parents feel very badly guilty. Children should not do that. Okay, your best day would be Friday and Sunday. Your best color would be orange and red color. The worst day for you would be a Wednesday. Do not take any decisions on Wednesday. try postponing any decisions that you want to take on a Wednesday. The worst color for you, or the color which is not favorable for you, would be yellow and a gold color. Avoid wearing a yellow and gold color. Even if it was suiting you, this year it won't suit you. The best month for you would be April. The worst month would be February to 21st of May. There will be a lot of tension, stress, which will be there. But like despite of that, there is success. Invest that time on. Now you can invest this time on, like thinking about new business opportunities, exploring business development or whatever. Even if it is the worst month, only your energy will get wasted. Do not make any investments though in this period, but you can, like spend your energies here. Travel this year, you may spend a lot of money on traveling this year, and you will feel very rejoiced while traveling. When it comes to any kind of remedy or donation, what you need to do to make your 2021 better, respect women this year. If you give, like a lot of respect, love, if you spend a lot of money on the women of your house, not outside, like your mother, your wife, your sister, this year keeping them happy will increase your wealth. So my suggestion to you is please do that. This is the best advice anyone can get. Now with regards to singles, let's check whether marriage is good for them or not. So I would suggest that marriage, if possible, like try to postpone it unless and until your parents are not compelling you. Try to understand the person that you're getting married with, because if the expectations are not met, they may have like a temporary separation, or they may ask you for a divorce also. So for alphabet G, it is very important that you do not get into hasty relationships or marriage commitments in 2021. It could end up miserably. Alright guys, so this was alphabet G for 2021. Do subscribe to my channel, stay tuned to Angel's Work. 2021 is going to be rocking stuff which will happen on my channel. We'll be doing a lot of interactive things on the channel. So stay connected, stay happy, and wish you a very very happy new year. All alphabet G. Goodbye.